Zoho is an online customer relationship management software, or CRM, that is used for managing your sales, marketing, and support on a single system. Zoho CRM helps businesses of all sizes build excellent customer relationships. The Zoho Phone Bridge feature connects your FreevoicePBX and your Zoho CRM to give you a feature that not only holds all the important information like leads and customer data, but also manages incoming and outgoing calls. The system identifies the caller and connects to the customer's record, and you'll get a view of information like their purchasing history, emails, and notes. The system will also remind you of calls that you've scheduled. Here's how you can integrate it within your FreevoicePBX. First, if you're using Zoho on your end, ask your FreeVoice support engineer to enable this integration on your FreevoicePBX. Once that is done, you should be able to see it on the left with the other administration tools under CRM Integration. Click Zoho CRM Integration. Next, click Activate Zoho Phone Bridge. Now, click the Verify Zoho CRM PhoneBridge Access button. A new tab will open and prompt you to type in the randomly generated user code. Once you've done that, go back to your PBX and click Verification Complete. Then click Setup Zoho Phone Bridge Users. To activate click-to-call and call control, select your agents from the drop-down menu to correspond with their FreeVoice user. Then select the features you want your agents to have access to within the Zoho CRM. Now, your agents will be able to click to call and manage their phone calls within Zoho. And that is how you set up the Zoho CRM Phone Bridge within your FreeVoicePBX.